Welcome to Hebrew Premium, your gateway to mastering Hebrew with clarity and confidence. Hebrew is rich and beautiful, but many learners struggle with its complexity. Hebrew Premium breaks down the language into easy, modular steps that anyone can follow. Our platform combines expert teaching with bilingual examples like shalom, peace, to make learning engaging. With Hebrew Premium, you gain access to a vast library of lessons, quizzes, and cultural content. Study Hebrew on your schedule, whether at home on the go or during a break. Hebrew Premium is built by experts who guide you with precise explanations and structured lessons. Join Hebrew Premium today and unlock the language of tradition, culture, and modern life.